way do I go?
I don't know. Lefty loosey type.
You do it then.
It is parked open. I'm gonna try. Is this squeak?
Let me see it.
Oh, it's all white in there. I gotta force it in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is loud. That's so wild. Look at my leg legs. You can't hold it down.
Why?
You can't hold it down because all the cold stuff inside.
So you just go like this?
Yeah. Like that. Alright, let me see. Let me see. Alright, we're in the garden section. In the very back. There's a worker right there. Oh, what the crap. Oh. If you haven't guessed already, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work because who the heck covers the cover? Who covers the? No, I haven't. It's in my pocket.
Afro bands right there.
Oh hell, no. Oh, that's after a woman.
You will do it, bro.
Put that right there. So there's a worker like right over here. Don't believe me. Oh god, somebody's just coming out. Somebody's coming. Somebody's right there. Somebody's right there. Don't do it.
Just go show him. Just go show him the look. No, we're
No.
good. We're just looking.
Nah. Oh, what the heck?
No, we're
No.
good. We're just looking.
Nah. Oh, what the heck? This is nerve-wracking. This is nerve-wracking. I know. So there's one over there. Oh, what the heck? We're full sense. This is for all the marbles. A woman just went right there. I'm currently deaf. I'm currently deaf. Go. Go. Do it or not. Yeah. Ready? Ready? What was that? God, bro. Oh god. Hey! Double hit, double hit. There's people right here.